thank you guys for today. The class is over and have a great afternoon.
Let's go. Come on.
Are you ready?
Hi, Meryl. Why do you always look so scared? Aren't we all friends in here?
What, you don't want to talk to us just because you think you're different? You're the same shit as everybody else's.
Come on, Myrtle. You think you're better than us or something?
What's going on? Why don't you mind your own business? Girl, just don't listen to them.
Come on, guys, just leave Gledališča.
Shut up, you two. It's none of your business. Go out.
Stop, and you can leave. Are you sure? I'm waiting you outside.
Actually, have you heard of colors or you're always walking around like that?
Okay, guys, finish up here. We're gonna lock it up.
Just leave me alone.
Why would we leave you? We are here to entertain your stupid, sad life.
Right, Stitch? Let's go, boys.
Turn around and go back to the cemetery where your home should be.
Come on, guys, stop messing around.
Martel, are you alright?
Yeah, everything's fine.
Really? We're waiting outside, okay?
I'm coming.
Okay.
Andrew, you're with me.
Thank you very much.
Mate.
Oh, my bro.
Philip, you.
Let's go, man.
Go.
You are the strongest, man.
Mike.
Participating, man.
Yeah.
Take the ball. Stand up. Stand up.
Okay, guys, class is over. Go to the locker room, change up. Okay? Nice practice, boys.
Come over here. Come over here.
You're so shy. You're so shy.
Watch out, Mike, coming.
What's up, Mike? Cat got your tongue? Just leave me alone. Fucking asshole. Will you ever stand up for yourself? Fucking pussy. Fuck off, man!
Hey, stop it, Mike. What are you doing? Stop it right now.
But they started it.
I don't care. Stop it.
Everything is okay. Escape over here. Don't worry.
It's alright.
Look, he's crying right now.
Yeah, a little bit. I can see it.
Fucking
In his
asshole.
eyes. Let me see it. Damn.
You also want problems, huh?
No.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come here.
Wait.
No, eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Why you want eat it? Faster.
Have you seen the photo? Which photo?
Yeah, I think that would be great. Yeah, why not? I mean, I know we just what?
Can I get my shirt back?
No.